Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. When I go on my travels, I like to bring back a little souvenir, and I started collecting these Americaware mugs. And this is the one from when I went to Boston. I love this mug. It is extra large. It's about 18 ounces. And I love the beautiful, colorful detail on it. And the letters of Boston are kind of raised, so there's a nice texture to the mug as well. I just love using it because it reminds me of the time when I went to Boston. Love that city, had such a great time there, and I love using this mug because every time I do, it reminds me of how great of a time I had when I was there. And here I am enjoying my mug with a nice hot cup of tea. These Americaware mugs are super durable. I've put them in the dishwasher, in the microwave countless times. They're even so sturdy and thick enough that you could even have a soup or chili out of them. It's such a nice, sturdy mug. And again, I love using it because it reminds me of my great times in Boston, and that's my point of view.